Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about the company, the Trade Desk, ticker symbol TTD. So Trade Desk is a technology company for advertising buyers. It operates through the US and international segments, and they include products like audio advertisement, mobile advertising, native ads, data management platform, cross-device targeting, and inventory and marketplaces. So it's very similar to, I would say, Facebook and Google ads, but it's advertising outside of those specific platforms. So Trade Desk currently trades at $307.60 per share. Past year, up 56%. Past 5 years, up 969%. Market cap is $14.17 billion. P ratio is 120, which is pretty expensive for the stock, but they have a lot of growth and potential upside. Dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. Analyst ratings, 58% give it a buy, 37% give it a hold, and 5% give it a sell. Now, in terms of the earnings, you can see that their Q1 2020 actual EPS beat the expected EPS. And we'll take a look at how they did in the first quarter of 2020. So in terms of financial results, you could see that despite the recent circumstances, their team delivered a strong March quarter, delivered 33% year over year revenue growth and strong margins. And they have robust cash flow in the quarter, which is important to have because during these times when it's more uncertain, you want to have a strong balance sheet to be able to sustain yourself during these times. Scrolling down a bit, strong cash position and balance sheet, and they continue to be key as the world's leading brands and agencies look to leverage advertising to gain share during this environment. So they provide a lot of digital tools for companies to be able to advertise. So first quarter financial highlights, you can see that year over year, 2020, increase in revenue, 33% year over year, which is solid growth. And this is based on generally accepted accounting principles. And scrolling down a bit, you can see adjusted EBITDA margin, 24% year over year, which is solid. Now, in terms of highlights for the business in the first quarter, continued omnichannel spend growth. So they continue to diversify their solutions and remain a strategic focus on the Trade Desk as the industry continues shifting towards transparency and programmatic buying, which is programmatic buying is more mechanical approach to targeted ads. So that's why they're being used over other platforms like Facebook and Google. So total mobile, which includes in-app, video, and web, spend grew 38% from 2019 to 2020. Mobile video grew 74% from year to year. Mobile in-app grew 55%. Connected TV grew 100%. So that's like the Netflix, the Hulus, having advertisement space, real estate in those platforms. Some companies use Trade Desk for that. Audio grew 60% from year to year. And they have strong customer retention, over 95% during the quarter, as it has for the previous 5 years. So once companies use their platform, they continue to stick with using their platform, which is great to hear as companies continue to contribute to their annual recurring revenue. So expanded partnerships in Asia. So they partnered with TikTok, the leading destination for short-term mobile video. And this would help in their Asia Pacific markets, which is great. As well as a Samba TV, the leading provider and consumer cross-screen TV insights and analytics, expanded their US partnership in international markets, beginning in Australia. And they also revamped the Trade Desk Edge Academy learning platform, which is a great platform for companies to learn how to use the tools, makes the platform more sticky. And they won some awards in the industry, such as ranked number 7 for Best Workplace, Asia 2020, for the small medium business category, and also best workplace in Greater China 2019. It's great to see companies have not only a solid product, but also a solid culture and good place to work at, because retaining your employees, that really helps the business. Financial guidance, so how do they plan to perform going forward? So as an impact of the recent circumstance on economic activity and advertisement demand, Trade Desk is not providing financial guidance for revenue or adjusted EBITDA for the second quarter of 2020, which is very similar to other companies during these times when they're struggling. They can't really predict how they'll perform next quarter, because it's highly dependent on when the negative news will be resolved. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Trade Desk? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.